Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the exact USB GPS model and that your computer supports it. This determines the driver path. Plug the receiver into a powered USB port and wait for basic hardware recognition. Once done, open Device Manager or System Report to verify the device appears. Make sure the port number is noted. If drivers are required, queue but do not install yet. Gathering model and OS details first prevents wrong driver installs and speeds the next step. You now install the correct driver. Use the manufacturer's package or a tested USB to serial driver. After installation, open your GPS utility or serial terminal and select the COM/TTY port you noted earlier. Set the baud rate to the receiver's default, commonly 4,800 or 9,600, and request NME sentences to confirm data flow. Once you see GGA/GSA/GSV lines, enable OS locations. You finish by testing outdoors with an unobstructed sky. Allow the receiver several minutes to acquire 3 or more satellites and obtain a valid 2D or 3D fix. Then open your mapping or navigation app to verify coordinates, stability, and update rate. Make small adjustments to baud or sentence filters if needed. If you fail to get a fix, restart the receiver and computer, swap USB ports or cables, and check for RF interference. Often a simple cable or port change resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.